Okay, so we're going to do a quick demonstration of how to install a Pin2DMD into a WPC-S or WPC standard or Pre-DCS WPC game. They're all pretty much the same as far as the pinouts and the power. First thing obviously is to remove the stock DMD, and you'll have 4 standoffs. The orientation of the Pin2DMD, it is designed in such a way that it uses the same standoffs. You shouldn't have to drill anything. It just pops on as shown. I know it looks like it's upside down, but the DMT panel is upside down because it's face down. So once you've got that in, and before you connect everything up, the first thing you want to do is connect your ribbon cable. It should have a nipple on it or a little indentation which matches up with the socket. Just make sure that pin 1 is on the left, which is that red, the red part of the ribbon cable is pin 1. And then the next thing you want to do is with the supplied power cable is find the 2 position connector, the 2 position female connector, which is this guy right here. It is set up in such a way that pin 1, or sorry, it's actually pin 2 right here is the ground, pin 3 is power, and just want to line it up just dead center, just like that, and then press down. Okay, just like that. Don't muscle it, just push it in, and it's nice and secure. But again, ground is black, 12 volts is the red, good to go. If you haven't already done so, you're going to unplug J116 right here, and that's this plug right here that is your machine's plug. That's going to go into the supplied Z connector, which is this guy right here. It is keyed, so pin 1 is absent, and your plug should have a key at position 1, and it plugs in just like that. Once again, your gray-yellow wire on your machine's plug is going to be matched up with the yellow 12-volt line, and then black obviously to black, which is the ground. And so we'll just plug that in as shown. 1 sec. All right, and it's going to look like this once you're done. And then last but not least, the power plug, the splitter, is this guy right here. This is top, this is bottom. The top side goes into J116, which should be vacant. It's not keyed, but you really can't mess it up. It's pins 1 through 4 go from right to left. So that 1 is, there's no pin at pin 1. Position 2 is your power. Position 3 is ground. And then there's a no connect at position 4. You just plug it in right there. All right. And that's it. It's as simple as that. And so the configuration should look like so. What we're going to do is we're going to just set this up as so. I mean, this is a really quick and dirty demonstration, but we're going to go ahead and just power the game. Show you what it looks like. And there it is. World Cup soccer now with color. Lovely. Enjoy. Any questions, call me.